Hi art teachers, my name is Joe Bofield and I'm an elementary art teacher from Dallas, Texas.
Hi art teachers, I'm Harris Waltuck and I'm a high school art teacher in Baltimore, Maryland. In today's 5 minutes of art history, we're going to learn about artist LaToya Hobbs and how to bring printmaking into your classroom. LaToya is an extraordinary printmaker that those of us who live in the city feel very lucky to share a space with. She is a professor at the Maryland Institute College of Art and has shown her work around the globe, including at the Harvard Museum of Art, the Getty Research Institute, and the National Gallery of Art in Namibia. Her work explores womanhood, culture, spirituality, and family. These gorgeous prints are a textural dream while portraying Black women at an epic scale. Many of her works are woodcuts. Her mixed media pieces are a combination of painting, collage, and relief print. Like Kafinwe, a portrait of a woman wearing glasses and a headband with a pattern of radial symbols behind her head. When it comes to themes, students can learn a lot from LaToya's work. They can talk about womanhood across different cultures. They can think about rest. They can talk about families and lineage, not just for themes, but also for technique. If you're teaching them about cross-hatching, you need look no further. She is a great person to show your students so that they understand that the repetition of a mark, the length of a mark, the intensity of a mark, how values are seen, all of that is very helpful within her work. In A Moment of Care, LaToya portrays a woman holding a cup, closing her eyes. The curvature around the woman's face is really set up by LaToya's mark making. In the background, you'll see that the mark making is totally horizontal straight lines, and those help to set the space apart. So if you want to teach cross-hatching or teach techniques, use LaToya's work as a great example.
LaToya Hobbs creates figurative prints and paintings that explore the themes of identity and beauty. One artwork that would be a great introduction is To Stand a Little Taller from 2016. Ask students to point out elements they see, such as lines and colors. Share that much of LaToya's work is in a monochromatic style. For students who are unfamiliar with vocabulary like monochromatic or achromatic, students may benefit from breaking down the words as a group. Mono means one, chroma means color. Have a discussion on why some artists choose to use or limit themselves to achromatic color schemes like black and white. Share an image of something familiar like a park bench or a door. Now share the photo, but in black and white. How does the mood of the artwork change? Do things feel more serious or cold? This would be a great way to pivot students into a printmaking unit. Have students create a foam print using styrofoam, ink, sprayers, and a variety of colored paper. Lines in the foam cannot be erased, so I emphasize problem solving, turning your mistakes into something else. For my youngest students, I will ask them to create a design using the lines that they identified in the print. Have students print on a variety of colored paper using black ink, and they will experience how the color changes the mood or the feeling of the print that they've created.
Students can spend the first 5 minutes of the class period finding one of her printmaking or painting pieces that they like. Try a speed dating exercise with the students. Hold up or project a work of LaToya's, then ask the students guiding questions to talk about with their partner. Who is this an artwork of? What does that person look like? Switch to a new partner with a new art piece. What kind of mark making does she use in this piece? Do a third switch with a new artwork and ask the students, what accessories or symbols do you see in this piece? Do a final switch with the students and have them talk about what do you think LaToya's work is about and why does that matter? Next, have the students pair up with a final portrait from LaToya. The students have to write 30-second elevator pitches in which they guess at who the person is in the portrait and what their backstory is. When they're done, have them share that elevator pitch with the class. Successful pitches will get an upvote from the students in class. LaToya is a great artist for printmaking, but if you don't have time, try scratch art. You can have the students use tempera paint and crayons to make amazing scratch art and get more hands-on. Check out the resource in the link below.
Bring LaToya to your students in your next printmaking or portrait unit. Check out Flex Curriculum for standards aligned, lesson plans, resources, assessments, and videos for all K-12 levels. While there are many student-facing resources in Flex, artist bios are one of our favorites. Each have a short bio, illustrated, artwork or portrait, quick facts, quotes, and reflection questions. Discover how to get Flex with the link in the description box below.
And that's LaToya Hobbs in 5 minutes.
If you have any other fun facts or activities, please leave them in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Art of Education University so you can see more art history videos like these.
Bye.